You need to get as much big of the big roots as you possibly can out of the ground. And this is a chive plant right here. That's gonna be fine because that came back from last year. But I'm planting something right next to it, and I'm hoping that it doesn't try to compete with each other. I'm digging them very deep because I took a very long time to take care of, to plant out the plants. So I need to dig down really deep. That what? What did she say?
Daddy wanted me to tell you that, that the potatoes need to go in.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'm still cooking, so I need to go put the potatoes in. So the ground is pretty dry. So I have the same thing I put before, the bone meal, flood meal, and the 10-10-10, but the ground is pretty dry. So I'm just putting water in the hole, and then I'm gonna do the transplant. And then I'm gonna put the transplant in. Then some broccoli came along.
Who wants to go hiking?
Some broccoli came along for the ride. But we are not gonna deny them.
There's no layaway in here. Yes, there is.
We have more than enough holes for everything. So that one is going there, and this is gonna go here. This one goes here. Very rooty. So we're just gonna open that up and get it down there as far as we possibly can, just like we did the take off the not so good leaves, just like we did the cabbage. More peanuts. This is the third one I found. Red cabbage. I put the 5 red cabbage over there in this area that had the long beans. And I kind of like gave it a little room against the trellis, because in the spring, God willing, that's where I want to plant the peas at. So gave it a little room, little space out of there. What you're seeing there is broccoli. That's a broccoli plant with the cabbage. And I've got some other cabbage. A lot of cabbage. I did a lot of cabbage. Wow. Wow. So we're going to put that there. And I just have about 3 Brussels sprout plants and 3 broccoli plants left to put down. So let's go do that. Let me just give you guys a look of everything. So that's the red cabbage, 5 of the red cabbage, and cauliflower and a broccoli. And this one here was planted, battery's dying, I'm ready to go. This one here was planted yesterday. And that was the one we did today over there with the asparagus, on that bed with the asparagus. So this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 beds of brassicas, and we have 6 more brassicas to put in the ground. Okay, we're getting it done, getting it done. So everything has been fertilized. We fertilized those yesterday, and everything else has been fertilized with fish fertilizer. I will fertilize them once a week, like I did my spring vegetables, like I did my summer vegetables also. I will give them fish fertilizer once a week. And that's it for today.